Hello everyone, today I've got another cool strategy to make money in the financial markets, especially with OTC currency pairs. No time to waste, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to catch all the latest videos that'll boost your earnings. Let's get started. You're on the Max Pro Trading channel. And to begin with, open this chart by following the link in the description. Choose the candlestick chart type and set the candle time frame to 30 seconds. Next, let's add the fractal chaos bands and MACD indicators. Let's go through some settings, follow along with me. In the fractal chaos bands indicator, we won't change the period. I prefer a white color, so let's set the lines and background to white. You can choose the line color as you like, save the settings. Now, let's move on to the MACD indicator. In the line styles section, set the color to white and also save the settings. These are all the settings we need to adjust. Next, I'll be looking for good setups and demonstrating how to work with this strategy in practice. I find the right situation and open a $50 down trade with a new candle for 2 minutes. This strategy has proven itself excellently on various currency pairs at different times, with different amounts and under various conditions. That's precisely why I decided to share it with you. The more you know, the better your trading will be. In general, the strategy is based on several key factors, making it highly understandable and straightforward, especially if you are just starting to delve into trading in the foreign exchange market. After all, in trading, they represent a unique form of art, and perhaps many of you are already trying to understand or guess how to work with it to some extent, but don't rush to conclusions. Let's wait for the trade to be executed, and then I'll explain everything to you. The price is falling, and despite small fluctuations, my trade closes in the positive, bringing me $46 in 2 minutes. Not bad, right? Keep watching the video until the end, and you will learn all the methods of working with this strategy. Also, you will definitely be able to replicate everything on your chart in the same way. Now, I'll look for another situation, for example, but before that, I want to remind you of some important points. Every day, in the morning and evening, I share trading signals in the general group. You can simply copy them and make some profit too. Well, or just scroll through, see how we operate. And for those who want to seriously engage in trading and follow high-quality signals, join the VIP group where I provide signals from trading bots and artificial intelligence. I conduct daily joint trading sessions based on my personal real-time signals. If you want to work together, scan the QR code on the screen or follow the link in the description of this video. Use only my verified contact information. Be cautious of scammers. I'm waiting for you on Telegram, and let's continue. I find a good moment where I plan to go against the trend. Waiting for it with a new candle, I open a $50 down trade for 2 minutes. I find it comfortable to rely on the last 4 candles, and this time frame is usually sufficient for decision making. Let's delve into why I open the trade now and how you can identify a similar opportunity. 1. Identify an upward trend followed by candles falling inside the fractal chaos bands indicator, and we'll start working from the second candle. 2. In the MACD indicator, the lines should be at their highest, indicating overbought conditions, and they should start to intersect. 3. The third candles should be as small as possible. All these elements together create a high quality signal for opening a trade. If you combine your proven earning methods with this strategy, you'll undoubtedly enhance your trading level and improve the quality of your closed deals. As an example, when I spot a good situation, I work with additional trades. Similarly, by waiting and with a new candle, I open another trade in the same direction for the same duration with a $50 amount. Always remember the risks. If you want to consistently earn, learn to work with additional trades because it's a market and you need to know how to navigate it in any situation. Let's just keep watching. The price is impulsively rising, but the trade manages to close in the positive, bringing me an additional $46, some risky dollars. In such moments, you need to know how to work with catch-ups. I increase the trade amount, take my time, analyze the situation. Despite all the risks, I believe the price will continue to fall. I wait and, with a new candle, open an additional trade with double the amount for 2 minutes. And then, let's just watch. The price continues to fall and my trade closes, compensating for the previous loss and bringing in a bit of profit. At the core of the fractal chaos bands indicator is the idea of identifying areas where the market may be in a state of chaos and where a trend might begin. This indicator creates lines around the price, assuming that during chaotic periods prices may fluctuate significantly while during trending periods they will stay within these bands. It's crucial to work precisely during moments of chaos when the candles break the trend and just enter the indicator. In my case, there was a sudden change in price, and I had to work with additional trades from this area to not miss the main trade. That's the first point. Secondly, always keep an eye on the intersection of lines in the MACD indicator and the size of the candles. This should occur at the moment when the candles fall into the indicator. If something doesn't go according to plan, look at the further movement of lines in the MACD indicator and the position of the candles. They will guide you on which direction to continue working. As you can see, the price continues to fall nicely, clearly breaking the upward trend, and I will continue searching for additional situations. If you haven't opened the chart yet or don't know where to start, simply follow the link in the description, register on the platform, and practice. Repeat my actions and start earning. Before depositing funds, don't forget to use the promo code that will give you a 50% bonus on the deposited amount. For instance, if you deposit $100 and enter the promo code, you'll receive $150 in real dollars into your account. This will be especially pleasing for those who are just starting their journey in the world of trading. And let's continue. I find a good situation, wait for a new candle, and open an upward trade with a $100 amount for 2 minutes. I immediately increase the amount in case I need to work with catch-ups. Let's analyze the actual situation, and I'll tell you about a moment that traders often overlook. A fill, almost always after a descending trend where the price consolidates, anticipates an impulse in the opposite direction. However, this moment should be confirmed by a supplementary indicator. Just remember and try to use this in your trading. It might not happen immediately, but at the very least, it indicates that the price will change. Like now, as the price gradually starts to rise, confirmed by a candle breaking through the fractal chaos bands indicator. Despite a slight drop in price, I believe it will continue to rise, supported by all the evidence. By the way, in such moments, I sometimes feel like the market is trying to deceive me. I analyze it more carefully and with a new candle, open an upward trade with double the amount for 2 minutes. For me, additional trades are already an integral part of my work, and believe me, this practice, coupled with a sound strategy, will help boost any of your deposits in the future. And here it is, the impulse I mentioned earlier. Such moments almost always occur. A good situation. I reduce the trade amount to my initial sum and will continue working on the upward trend. I wait for a new candle and open another trade in the same direction for 2 minutes with a $50 amount. In such situations, you need to be prepared for anything and remember the risks. So, let's just keep watching. The price continues to rise and my first trade closes, bringing me $90 in 2 minutes. As you can see, the price sharply starts to fall. I increase the trade amount in case I need to work with catch-ups. In this situation, it's also better not to rush and not to take any actions. Let's just wait a bit. And as you can see, a zone in the indicator appears, where our candle is already located. Precisely here we can apply today's strategy, but it's essential to consider the consolidation area after which there was an impulse. Next, I will continue working on the upward trend. I wait, and with a new candle, I open a trade in the same direction with double the amount of the previous trade. The trade that was before the previous one closes and brings me $178. This is a risky situation and I don't want to lose the trade, so I wait for a new candle and continue working in an uptrend with double the amount from the losing trade. Momentum again, I'm a bit late, and the trade opens at the very top of the candle. I will not rush here either, let's just watch. The candle breaks through the indicator, and with a new candle, I open another upward trade with a $100 amount. Usually, after candles sharply break through this indicator, it takes 2 minutes to execute the trade. In general, you can see it all for yourself, but let's break down the situation in more detail once again. So, to avoid any confusion, let's go back to the very beginning. One of the first primary trades I opened during the impulse. Then the price slightly corrected, after which a zone appeared in the indicator where there was already a candle, meeting the conditions for trading with this strategy. I opened the second additional trade a bit late. I waited and caught the candle exiting the indicator, then with a new candle, opened an upward trade. It's actually a risky situation, but I think the price will also work out a correction and continue to rise. As you can see, my trade closes and brings me $89 in 2 minutes. And again, there's an impulse, and everything repeats. I believe you've understood my working principle with this strategy. Now let's just keep watching. The price continues to rise, my trade closes, bringing me another $89 in 2 minutes. And here is how beautifully the worked out area looks now. Towards the end, I managed to boost the deposit a bit. Overall, I earned quite well. Like this video if it was genuinely helpful for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on new videos that will make your trading more informed. Leave comments, and in the next video, I'll pick the best comment and the author will receive $50. The winner from the previous video is the author of this comment. Join me on Telegram. Message me right now. This was Max. Good luck in trading and see you in the next video.